Welcome back, fellas. Today I'm going to share with you how you can make sketchy images or sketchy drawings when you're working with the kids, for example, or you want to give it a rough look. It looks always amazing. So what you do is normally you go to insert menu, and in insert you have shapes, and you pick up any shape of your choice. For example, I can pick this one up, and you pull it out down here, and then you change like this. So it looks like a sketch, but for the real sketchy, I will select all of these. Okay, I'm just using control button here. I've selected all of these, and then I will go to the drawing tool on the top on the format you see here. And in the format, you can see shape of the outline. At this shape of the outline, when I click down, you can see like the size of the lines, and then you see sketched. And from these more options, you can select, for example, here I picked up this one. I can pick this one or this one as well. Gives a rough look you can see here, but this looks a very good rough look. So this is kind of a sketchy image that you can use for the kids, and it gives them a little rough look, not exactly sharpened. So you can use exactly the same type of settings in other Microsoft products as well. For example, in Microsoft Word and PowerPoint as well, and that will give you a little more classic look that you would like to share. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Do share your comments with me. Please share this video with your friends if you believe it can be useful, and help me spreading the information and knowledge. I wish you all a great start of 2021, and stay safe and take care of yourself. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.